how to create unlimited Telegram accounts. So if you want to create unlimited Telegram accounts, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Once you're on your browser, you need to just go with search, and under search, you need to search for free temp numbers, which is free temporary numbers. Once you've searched for it, here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you free temporary numbers. So if you want to turn on your VPN, you can also turn it on and select the country. And after that, you need to just go with any option that you're comfortable with. After that, here you will have the countries. So you can just simply tap on the country that you would like to have the number. So if, for example, if you want the number for Canada, you can tap on Canada, and it will give you all of the numbers associated with that country. So you need to select the number, and you can copy the number, tap on copy number, or just simply note this number and go back and go with the Telegram creation page, paste that, and come back to this browser, and here you will receive the code. So in this way, you'll be able to make multiple Telegram accounts with all of these numbers. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.